definitely second what you're saying. But more importantly, I'm just very happy to be associated with Flying Machine because they are a company that has a dream and one which is very patriotic, and it's to put India on the world map as far as jeans are concerned. And I really love their enthusiasm with which they do it. And I think it's about time that we showed the world what all we can do back here in India.
Definitely.
Or something.
Abhishek, what is fashion?
Fashion, I don't know much about fashion. I think fashion is comfort. You got to be comfortable, you got to be yourself. And fashion should be whatever your inner personality is, and it should come out.
अभिषेक फ्लाइंग मशीन में कैसा फील कर रहे हैं फ्लाइंग मशीन के कपड़ों में लुक्स एंड
I feel very good. They're great clothes, very comfortable, very youth oriented, and very cool.
अभिषेक, इससे पहले भी आप दो चीज़ों के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बन चुके हैं, एक बार गाड़ी के बने, अभी मोबाइल के, अभी कपड़ों के. कितनी जिम्मेदारी बन
There
जाती
are
है?
some other ones, but anyway, okay.
ओके, इससे पहले मतलब इतनी सारी जिम्मेदारियाँ इंडोर्समेंट के दौरान आती हैं, तो कैसा लगता है? कैसे निभा पाएंगे इस तरीके के इंडोर्समेंट करने के?
I think you have to believe in what you do. अगर प्रोडक्ट में विश्वास हो आपका, so then जिम्मेदारी ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाती है. And if you endorse that product, you should believe in it and you should use it. I love Flying Machine jeans. I wear their jeans, and the rest of my products I actually use. So it's very good. You just need to believe in it.
अभी फैशन की बात करें तो आप कितने फैशन
Pardon me?
आप कितने फैशनेबल हैं फैशन की?
आप मुझे बताइए, मैं कैसे कह पाऊंगा? You'll have to tell me.
अभिषेक किसी प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स करते वक्त आप क्या चीज़ ध्यान में रखते हैं कि ये प्रोडक्ट आपके इंडोर्स करने लायक है या नहीं?
जी, मैं ये देखता हूँ अगर मैं उस प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स करने लायक हूँ. प्रोडक्ट मैं इट्स द अदर वे अराउंड. इट्स वेदर यू कैन स्टैंड अप टू व्हाट द प्रोडक्ट बिलीव्स इन, whether you can stand up and you can portray what the product stands for. That's as important as that. I'd like to believe that all the products that I work for, including Flying Machine now, believe in me and think that I'm worthy of endorsing their product.
अगर इस प्रोडक्ट की बात करें फ्लाइंग मशीन की, तो क्या ऐसी चीज़ थी कि आपने इंडोर्स करने के लिए इसके लिए हामी भरी?
उनका एक ख्वाब है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. They have a dream, they have a vision, and I respect that and I appreciate it. They want to put a jeans brand like Flying Machine on the international platform to compete with international labels as well. And they want to put an Indian brand international. And I think that's a worthy cause and I think it's fantastic. It epitomizes the attitude of today's youth, which is that we're as good as the rest of the world, if not better, and we will prove it. And I like that, and I definitely feel that Flying Machine has all the potential to be a complete international brand.
Abhishek,
Your style icon has made you the ambassador of Flying Machine. Who's your style icon? I said your style icon, and that's the reason you're ambassador of Flying Machine. But who's your style icon?
I think Dad would be my style icon, yeah.
अभिषेक, एक जीन्स का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होना एक एक्टर के लिए जो बेसिकली पब्लिक फिगर है उसके लिए लॉन्ग रन में कितना बेनिफिशियल है?
It's not about benefit. You don't become a brand ambassador just for benefit. You associate with something because you believe in it, like I said before. So it's not about benefit and what you can get out of the thing. It's whether you can together work together to achieve a common goal.
अच्छा, अभिषेक बॉलीवुड एक्टर
Indian film industry.
हिंदी फिल्म एक्टर एक ब्रांड एम्बेसडर क्यों अच्छा हो सकता है?
ये आप जो फ्लाइंग मशीन के जो सीईओ हैं उनसे पूछिए, आप ये बता पाएंगे. I'm sure he'll answer your question.
अभिषेक, हमेशा देखा जाता है कि किसी भी अगर कपड़ों की किसी के लिए एम्बेसडर चुना जाता है तो उसकी ओवरऑल पर्सनैलिटी देखी जाती है. तो आपको लगता है कि आपकी पर्सनैलिटी ऐसी है जो लोगों को खींच सकती है अपनी ओर, जैसे कपड़ों के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अगर देखा जाए?
We hope so. If not, Flying Machine's going to be in a lot of trouble.
अक्सर देखा जाता है कि जैसे कि अब जब आप पहले शुरुआत में आपका करियर स्टार्ट हुआ था तब आपकी बॉडी स्ट्रक्चर कुछ और था, लेकिन अगर आज देखा जाए तो आप काफ़ी एक्सरसाइज वगैरह भी कर रहे हैं.
प्लीज़ आप जाके अपने जितने भी मित्र हैं उनसे ये कह दीजिए, वो सब कहते हैं कि मैं मोटा हूँ. Ma'am, we all work according to our films. I'm currently doing a film where they wanted me to look slightly more healthy. We are actors. We have to follow what our directors ask us to do. Unfortunately, we don't have too much free time to put on weight just voluntarily. We do these things for film. Shooting a film called Sarkar, for which this is the look. Yeah.
फिर दौड़ा के लिए भी क्या कुछ एक्सरसाइज या बॉडी शॉडी बना रहे हैं आप?
जी नहीं.
Coming back to your fashion thing, your father is brand ambassador for Freedom Tailors. That's a very formal thing, and you have been pursuing.
Somebody's pulling you out of the way.
Yeah, he's been pulling me. So your father is pursuing. You have been pursuing as a very formal person to all the functions. We've seen you wearing those black suits, and now suddenly coming in black. Contradiction again.
Pardon me?
Like your father, as I said, is a brand ambassador for a very formal brand.
Right.
And you are going for a casual thing. There's a difference now. And one more thing, your family almost seems to be endorsing every product that's in the market.
And your question is?
What a family.
Thank you.
Last two
That's a
questions
statement.
was,
Okay, thank you.
Abhishek,
You've got to, like I said, you have to endorse the products you believe in and what suit your lifestyle and products that you will use. I love jeans. I like to wear jeans every day. I generally wear jeans and a shirt. So I could not think of a more befitting brand to endorse than Flying Machine.